Hello everyone, it's Melanie. This is my slow stitch collab piece from Rachel, and I had to heavily edit this video, so I just wanted to come in and apologize for all the jump cuts and such, but hopefully it's watchable.
Oh, how pretty. Oh my goodness. How cute is that little label? So does it open here? Do I need to I think I need to unfasten this. Cute little scraps. Ooh, I think that might be hemp. Oh, I love that little stamp. That's cute. This is beautiful. Oh, Rachel, it's beautiful. Look at this. Is that linen? Oh, that looks like it's a gorgeous weave. Woven linen. And look at this pretty, this looks like linen or hemp too. How beautiful. Oh, love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can't wait. This bag is so cute. You know what would fit in this bag? Oh, do I have it in here or is it in the other room? Oh, how pretty. Is that from the original? Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Okay, y'all have to forgive me for saying, but it is. It's really beautiful. How beautiful. I think this is a dish towel, because that's what they used to put on a dish towel, and then the initials of maybe whoever made it. How pretty. And these cute floral fabrics. That's so sweet. Oh, Rachel, I love it. I love it. How cute is that? Oh, how cute. So cute. Okay, let's open this first. Oh, Rachel, I love it. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, look at the little flower. There's like some, I don't know if that's hemp or linen. Sorry, my voice is giving out on me. This looks like Liberty, some Liberty lawn. Some beautiful, beautiful embroidery. I love the pinks. A lot of different pinks. The bee, so cute. There's a yo-yo. I love this stitching on this print fabric here. It's just covered in stitching. Oh, this is gorgeous too, with that aqua and how it plays off of this. Oh, Rachel, it's beautiful. Oh, and look at this. It's like I keep seeing things. Look how cute this is. Wow. Rachel, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Thank you. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, look, this is wool. It's so cool how when you look at it, you keep seeing things that you didn't see before. But look, this is some wool stitching. It's just gorgeous, Rachel. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And the buttons, different pearl buttons. So cute. So cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. I can't wait to put this together. The only thing I keep thinking about a book is that then when the book is closed, you can't see any, you won't see them. And I keep thinking, I want to see them all the time. So I may end up, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna. I guess I'll wait till I get all of them here together, and then see how pretty. Oh, look at that little monogram. Getting attacked by some tape. That little monogram is gorgeous. So cute. More stamping. This is, I love these stamps. I wonder what, I'll have to ask Rachel what ink she uses to stamp on fabric. Look how gorgeous. All these little bits. Am I in frame? How pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. That's so delicate. This is beautiful. Oh, I love them all. Some crochet trim. And then pinks and greens. Pinks and greens and flowers. That looks like feed sack or flower sack fabric. Okay, I love that motif right there. Oh, look at that. The colors in that are so beautiful. Oh, I love the colors. More green and pink. I love it. And look at this. That is a gorgeous pink. Very gorgeous pink. This looks like sugar sack or flour sack too. And some vintage, these are probably French linens maybe. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna, oh, it's so cute. More greens, oh, more pinks. Look at that bird. More greens. I love this little print. Some more woven stripes. Those are beautiful. Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. That's not what she put on the front. No, this looks vintage. This looks like, it's like a sateen fabric that she did the embroidery on the front here. It's gorgeous. Oh, more roses and some hemp. Oh, thank you so much, Rachel. I love it. I really, really love it. I can't wait to see them all together, which we can do right now. I can put them together and we can look at them. Let's see. Again, sorry I'm so quiet, guys. Y'all. Okay, where's my others? Let's see. So here's my first one from Anne. See if I'm on in the frame here. And this one is from Jeanette. And this one is from Loretta. And this one is from Susanna and from Rachel. Oh, I love them. I love them. I love them together. I love them separately. I just love them. And they're all so different in style, but they look great together. And I love this little, I love how even just this tiny pop of blue picks up the blue in this. I love that. And I like the stamping. How cute. Do they all have, oh, they all have a yo-yo. At least one yo-yo. So pretty. This flowers, am I even on the screen there? Probably not even on the screen with that. So pretty. Well, thank you, Rachel. I love it. It's just gorgeous. It's just perfect. And I am so excited that it's here. And I am not, there are no worries at all about when it arrived. I'm thankful it's here in one piece. It's just gorgeous. So thank you so much, Rachel and Anne and Jeanette and Loretta and Susanna. Thank you all. They're just gorgeous. So I'm going to rest my voice for a little bit, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.